everyone, myself Tita Parmar. I am in class 10. I am from Om Shanti English Medium School. So today I am going to explain theorem 6.1, that is BPT theorem or basic proportionality theorem. It is also known as Thales theorem. So the statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides in distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So DE is drawn parallel. So DE is parallel to BC. So the given data is triangle ABC. ABC is parallel to and it is DE parallel to BC. DE parallel to BC. So what we have to prove? We have to prove that AD by BD and A by EC we have to prove equal. So the proof is DN perpendicular to A and EN perpendicular to AD. So we have to join BE and BC. So the formula of area of triangle ABC is 1/2 into base into height. So we will start with triangle ADE, that is 1/2 into AD into EN. So we will name it as equation 1. Now it's time for triangle BDE. Area of triangle BDE is 1/2 into BD into EN, equation 2. Now area of ADE upon area of BDE is equals to 1/2 into AD into EN upon 1/2 into BD into EN. EN gets cut and 1/2 gets cut. So the result we got is area of ADE upon area of BDE is equals to AD by BD, equation 3. So again, now we will take the DM diagonals. Area of triangle ADE is equals to 1/2. We have got result from equation 4 and 5 is area of ADE upon area of CDE is equals to 1/2 into AD into DM upon 1/2 into CD into DM. Again 1/2 gets cut, DM gets cut. So we got is area of ADE upon area of CD is equals to AD by CD, that is equation 6. Now triangle BDE and CD. BDE and CDE have same base, that is DE, between same parallel. So area of triangle BDE gets equal to area of triangle CD, equation 7. So from equation 3, 6 and 7, AD by BD is equals to A by BC. Thanks for watching.